Alright, so we have a permanent marker, which you can see there should be a permanent sign. Alright, it's given here. So permanent marker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write something. So say that it's M. Alright, so we have M&M, and I don't want to wipe my M&M out of my board because we love him. Alright, so he doesn't want to go. M&M wants to stay in my house. That's really nice, but my mom does not agree with that. My mom is not happy about that, so I have to send M&M back to his home. So what you can do? What you can do to erase this markers, permanent marker ink from your whiteboard? So the best thing, there are three solutions for this. One, use your whiteboard marker. Take a whiteboard marker, just write over it. I'm gonna take a small letter for now. Say that it's been I now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe out this I exactly like this. So I left. M&M has left home right now. So this is one solution. The second thing, use a perfume. Okay. There's some spray out there. So with this, it contains kind of alcohol. So I'm gonna rub and just like that. Like, yeah, it's gone. And one more thing, an easier way, because not every one of you will use perfume or might not have it. So instead, you can use your deodorant. Very simple. Just spray over the board. Alright, that's it. Very cool solution, isn't it? All gone. And your boat smells fresh like never before. This is it, guys. You can use as a test which contains alcohol. It might be able to remove whatever is in the whiteboard. This is the solution right now. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.
Ah, yeah, don't step. This is an introduction. Oi, my